Oh, hi there. Christie here to let you know what to expect when you arrive at one of our trailheads to go on a walk or hike. With 27 kilometers of trails, there are multiple spots that you can start from. All of our parking lots have pay and display parking. Members, be sure to have your parking pass on display to avoid being ticketed. If you're not a member, please pay for your parking spot before you head off onto the trails. Each trailhead has this large informational panel. It displays important safety information and content on the area you're about to explore, as well as a map. If you're unfamiliar with RBG or our trails, it would be best to give it a gander before you walk ahead. I recommend snapping a photo of the map too, so that you have it with you while on trail. All of our trailheads have garbage and recycling receptacles near the parking lot. Please be mindful of any litter you might lose along your journey and use these receptacles as needed to discard waste. Be sure to use the washroom before heading out, as there are no facilities available at the trailheads. Remember, these trails fall within RBG's nature sanctuaries, and respecting nature is of the utmost importance. We hope you have fun exploring.